According to the information what would they get, they say that the former president of Nigeria will be Muhammadu Buhari. As we dey talk now, they say the protesters for Katsina don't find am go in house. As they reach there, everything where they there, they carry am down. As e dey be that this now, they say Tinubu House for the place where they for Cote, they say they don't carry the house go down. No, now be Tinubu House where they for Cote. My wonderful people, they say that the revolution have started already in the north, as the north start removing everything they used to build their roads and showing so many things over there. We will bring the videos, can show you one after the other. Please stay tuned and watch the full video. Remember what the leader of indigenous people of Biafra said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He said that the revolution have to start from the north. That is the only time Nigeria is going to be better. Because, you know, this Tinubu government is not favorable to the north. And I think they're going to play, the politicians are going to play smart game by trying to give the north access of anything they are looking for in order way to calm the situation down. But the north, if the north accept this, there will be more hunger and there will be more alamajuris in the north if they accept this. But if the north resist and fight this battle forever, north will realize they have everything to survive as a human. They have every kind of resources you can find in this earth is in the north. So and this is their chance also. Let me bring you the videos for you to watch before we come back and continue. Don't forget to stay there for Balabas G's.
Game da zanga-zanga to ga abin ta haifa mana, amma mu nan mun tabbatar cewa turo su akai. Ka duba yadda aka gurin nan, duk wani abu da ke gurin sai da aka tsare, hatta da wayar wuta ta wayarin din gurin nan, da kofofi windows ga sanan wurin duka an cire, hatta kwano duka an balle an cire su. Duba ga yadda aka office wannan, duba ga duk wani abu da yake cikin office din sai da ka cire, komai da komai, duk wata offer, anything da duk abin da ke karfi, duk abin da yake na karfi ne to sai da ka cire a gidan nan. Duba gani wannan office din Honorable Aminu Zama ne, Taurasan da mai addu'a, wanda yake kusa da Jaiz Bank. Amma duba ga yadda aka masa, muna kallo ba da zamu da su. Mutane ne ga sanan, ka rasa ma ƴan wani gari ne ga sanan wurin, ka rasa ƴan wani gari ne, ka rasa sai suka yi wani ta'addancin, suka cire komai da komai, duk wani karfe da gidan da wani waya wuta da wani abu na wuta, har ta ko mita maga sun cire ta, komai suka cire a gidan nan. Allah ya sauke. Mu da mun faɗa, muna ta rubuce tun sati biyu su kautai, zanga-zanga a nan wurin ta'addanci take koma, ta koma ta'addancin kwa. Duba gani wannan kofar ce aka yi ɓada take kasa balluwa ga ta nan wurin, amma komai shi da ka tsare, da wayar wutan da waye komai da ka zare. Allah shi kyauta. Shi sai mai kira ga gwamnatin jiha da dakatar da wannan abu. An ce za a yi zanga-zanga tsawon kwana 10 daga 1 ga wata zuwa 10 ga wata, to dakatar da shi gaskiya. Duba gani.
They don't born Tinubu House for this country. Tinubu House went there for Nigeria. They not went there for Cote. They don't born no more. I don't even know say Tinubu House there for this country. Now today they no more. They don't born no more. Now they run, they go. So they don't born the. They don't go born the house for Cote d'Ivoire here, Ivory Coast. They don't born the house. I don't born Tinubu House. I don't born Tinubu House. I don't born Tinubu House for you. I don't born Tinubu House. I don't put up a fire. Cote d'Ivoire is on fire. Tinubu House don't go. Tinubu House don't go. I don't born to.
For the support of all Nigerians, to the federal government, to the state government, and to the local governments, let us avoid anything that will bring mayhem within our communities. Yesterday, we have seen the level of destruction that has been carried out just yesterday. And so you can imagine if this continues for so long, the armed forces and the entire military security agencies will not stand by and see that to continue. So want to warn those that are recalcitrant, those that don't want to listen, that will not fold our hands and see our country to be destroyed. We will take action, and the action we'll take it professionally. Anyone that is caught will be taken to the courts to be dealt with. So once again, I want to thank you for coming, especially members of the media. And again, for the media, I want to also appeal. I noticed throughout yesterday, all the stations were hooked up to the occasion. This is not an election thing. Don't give them that coverage for them to feel, because there are some of them are looking for just moments of, being on the screen. Together, I can assure you, we are going to win, and we are winning. And at least from today, we have seen the level that it has really gone down. Most state governors that decide to declare a state of emergency have called it off, and working together as Nigerians for Nigeria will succeed.
Tinubu forced himself to be president of Nigeria. He forced himself to be there. Let the whole world know. Tinubu forced himself. Let the whole world, let the spirit, let the dead wake up from the grave and know what I'm saying. He forced himself. Now he faces the fuck up. When you force yourself to anywhere, you will meet iniquity. Did you think Nigeria is happy now? I'm asking you, Joshua, did you think Nigeria is happy the present time? It's like, why is better than Tinubu? Tinubu should go back to a memory board. Renew hope. What is renew hope? If you renew hope much, I believe on you. And you fail my fucking up. You mess me, and now they are slapping me anywhere I go because I vote for APC. Where's the motherfucking renew hope? August 1st. And the masses are not suffering. They're walking in the streets of Nigeria.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched the videos and see what is currently going on in Nigeria right now. But there's something that I want us to look into here. To tell you the truth, the fact there is that these protests need more weight for this government to hear you people. You need more weight. As long as you are protesting and people opens their shop, go their businesses, do something, the sell and the cars, the road are moving, you people are giving ways for people to pass, you are just wasting your time. The 21 people that have died and 1,000 something that have been arrested they just do the sacrifice in vain. Yes, everyone have to be committed in the protest before there will be a result. If not, you are just wasting your time. If you like, you dat it. If you like, do not dat it. Remember what happened during NSAS protest? You guys are busy playing music, singing, and they are busy planning what they will do to people. And you guys have repeated that same thing again. How can you be protesting and you are playing music? What are you playing music for? Do you know anger? You are showing your anger and you are playing. That means you are not serious. You are not hungry, but you just want to entertain yourself in the public and show up. Like the Nigerian army have told the people here that the media should stop gathering and covering what is happening. Could you imagine? And he said that are giving you people audience to show yourself in a screen. This is what the army said in this video. It's very heartbroken that we have gotten to this level. This coming out from the person who called himself Army General. Very shameful. And you guys, being the Nigerian youth, are busy dancing in the street, playing song, boom, 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 playing all kind of song, going. No, that is not a protest. Everyone have to join you people. Look, why I'm saying this thing is just, we are media, we have to tell you, if you like, you do. If you don't like, you do not do. It's none of our business. The Southeast have making it clear that not joining the protests, and that is the reason why you see these protests, they are not using that for, because if Southeast join for, you see force everywhere, they want to clamp them down and they were targeting to kill the Igbos. So now you are protesting. You are just, I'm saying you are wasting your time. Only thing you will do to achieve this one, everyone have to join this protest. The area you guys are protesting. Number two, You have to stop this madness of playing song in the road and focus on what you are demanding for. Number 3, don't have to gather and where they ask you to gather. Go the place where the people who put you to suffer are. Visit them that place. That is only the time they are going to hear you people. So guys, if you like, you take. If you don't like, do not take. It's none of our business. We have said it the way it is, and we hope you guys well. We wish you guys good. For those people who have died, may their soul rest in peace, and may the reason of your cause be achieved. That is our prayer for you guys. Okay, let's see. We're going to see you for the next update as it hot.